Autodesk Inventor and Autodesk Vault often go hand in hand. However, lack of training or improper implementation can lead to the technology being underutilized, under-optimized, or both. The result is lost productivity and project overruns. IMAGINiT health checks for Autodesk Inventor and Vault can help. How can you tell if your Inventor environment needs a health check? Some employees are constantly asking your power users for help in completing everyday tasks. Large-size files and other inconsistencies are causing problems with project efficiency. Or repetitive, non-value-add design tasks are delaying projects. On the other hand, look for these signs indicating your Vault environment needs a health check. Overall performance or latency is not optimal. Vault searching capabilities and workflows are not optimal, or a lack of integration with other business systems forces redundant workflows or processes. IMAGINiT health checks analyze your organization in 3 fundamental areas: people, processes, and technology. Our 5-step process generates an actionable report which outlines in detail what to do to take your technology, processes, and profitability to the next level. During a health check, we will conduct a process and workflow review to establish a baseline of current workflows and collaboration practices. We'll run user assessments to identify specific areas where skill levels could be improved through training. We'll review your templates and standards to ensure they are fully developed and identify areas of improvement. We'll make detailed recommendations to improve Inventor or Vault configurations, workflows, and data management. You'll receive a detailed report and scorecard that describes how well projects and processes are performing, identifies stumbling blocks, and outlines a clear roadmap for future improvements. Ensure your engineering team is using your Autodesk software to its fullest potential. Talk to an IMAGINiT expert to schedule your software health check today.